Hey everybody, welcome to my second motorcycle wheel chuck video. In the first one, I got this and I assembled it. If you haven't checked out that video, be sure to do so. So I finally found a nice spot in the garage to mount it, to secure it to the concrete. And this is where I'll be parking my bike from now on. So I need to drill 2 holes back there because there were none. And they give you like 8 holes in the front, but I needed 2 in the back, so I'm going to drill that. Okay, I got these Milwaukee Cobalts. Should do the job. And I'm using the newest and the meanest gun in the arsenal. Okay, so I drilled the holes. Okay, so I didn't have a long drill bit, that's why the holes aren't deep enough. So I'm going to be using these aluminum cylinders instead of the washers. Stack a bunch of them. Okay. And for the back, I only need 1. It's all nice and firm, secured. Park it. All right, that's how it looks. All secured.